Hi, I'm Chris here. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching my video, please make sure you read on the description and the title below for the current software version that I'm using right now. My goal with this channel is to help you to become a better modeler. So please take a moment and let me know in the comment how am I doing. Remember to leave a thumbs up so it can help the YouTube to share this video with a wider audience. And if you aren't subscribed, please do so and click on the bell for future content. Welcome back guys. In this video, today I'm going to talk about how do you enter rebar in parameterized column using Cubicost TRBC-III software. In this project right now, I already done and completely model of C6 and C7 parameterized column. And I also talk about the materials, size, attributes, and the construction information for the parameterized column. So if you are not sure about how to do this stuff, so you can refer to the description below on how to model parameterized column in TRBC-III. First step, always go to the drawing tab, then the identify tab, just like this. The next, open up column schedule. Look at the specified column that you want to key in the data. For this one is C6. Make sure the attribute editor over here is the column that you want to enter those information in. Let's say I will to enter C7. I need to switch to C7. The attribute editor will appear C7. Okay. Next will be filling the information over here. The first row is about the size. The second row is the main bars. And the third will be link. And the last one will be concrete grade. And then we just fill in the information directly. Before that, I need to mention about for the anchorage, lapping, and concrete cover. We are not going to talk about this in this video. We're going to talk about it on the next video. So to fill in this information, you can just click directly on the main bar, key in 20 numbers of T32. However, as you can see from here, compared with the other type of column, such as round column and the rectangular column, it did provide the link section part, such as this one. But in the parameterized, it do not appear any links. So what should we do? Click on this pop-up edit section form below here. Once it's open, you can adjust it on side by side. It's much easier to have a look. Once you key in the main bar, you have to check that the main bar is keyed and arranged according to the arrangement over here. Okay, if it's yes, then it should be fine. Then move on to draw link. The link will be T10-200. Yep, correct as well. So for this one is actually a hook. So we have to complete the hook over here. Just drawing like this. And there are two links over here tying across, which is this one, and the bottom one, which is this one. Okay, once everything is ready, it's done, and then restore it and make sure the concrete cover is correct. 30. This is C7. It may look kind of complicated, but do not worry. Let me explain the shortest path to draw this main bar and also this link. First, move to C7. Make sure the attribute name here appear as C7. Next, go bottom here, select pop-up edit section form. Once edit, it will pop up a window just like this one. The next, we start keying the information 56T32. Okay, or it will automatically accordingly. We will finish the main bar first before we do on the link. The yellow color here means corner bars. and the purple color means sidebar. The software will determine it accordingly like this. So there should be nothing wrong with the main bar. We move to the sidebar. Once we click on these features, it will appear a dotted line appear across the or column edge. So it will allow us easy to point in the rebar information. Let us point in this corner first. 3 main bar at the top, 3 main bar at the side, and 3 main bar at the bottom. Make sure you key in 3T32 and you point just like this. Okay. The next one will be, it should be the same over here. Okay, since it's correct, then we move on. We move to the center over here. 3 main bars over here, 3 main bars over here. Correct. Then there should be no bar in between. So we have to select the bar and delete. So from here, 4 main bars, 4 main bars. Okay, and for this one is 7 main bars and the 7 main bars. Select on the sidebar, change it to 7, and press on the line here, and press on the line here. So right now, total we have 56 T32, which we completed on the main bar. Next will be the link. If you look carefully, there are 8 numbers of the link. The first one is a link, second one, third, and the fourth. There are also 4 type bar, total which is 8. So from here, we have to follow exactly. Click on the link. Make sure you click on the information, 200. The next will be, this is one link here. There's another link over here. Okay, this one we are doing this link and this link. So we select on the rectangular, start doing this link over here, just like this, and there will be another link over here. The rest will be the type bar. One type bar over here, there one type bar over here as well, middle one, and the horizontal one. So cross check on the design. Yep, seems like it's correct. So we just restore to normal section. Here you go. Here's your C7. The column marking for C6 and C7, the information from the ground floor share the same as the first floor, so we do not need to go to the next floor, which is level 1, to do again the column. We can just copy the information to the floor above. But before that, we need to make sure the quantity is correct first before we copy. We can calculate the quantity and you can view the result using the quantity edit rebar. There are a few methods over here. The first method is edit rebar to get your result, to cross-check on your result. For the edit rebar, you can see the shape of the column and the bars, link, and the hook as well. So the total kg will appear over here, single element gross weight. The next step will be edit rebar or the combination of both. Yeah, as you can see, you can view the rebar in the column, and you can also select on the specified row of the main bar, and it will highlight the bar for you. Just like highlighting on the main bar, the hook, and the link. The last one will be rebar layout, which is this one. You can also view directly from here on the floor above and the floor below. So this edit rebar functions that you can view from the few floor above and below. And then once you check everything is correct, it's time to copy to other floor. You can use these features. Select the column, copy to the floor above, and select level 1. If your level 1 have the same column or other column above, they will ask you this overlapping system. So if you found that there's something strange, you can just ignore this one or not to copy. In this case, I will not use this function because on the floor above level 6, I had adjusted some of the information such as summary info as tower compared with the floor above, which is podium. I don't want to redo again on the floor above, so I just have to use another function called synchronize. Make sure you click on the C6, select the synchronize features over here, and make sure the information in the box is ready to synchronize to the floor above. You just need to synchronize the information that you want to the respective floor. Okay, in this case, I will select the main bars only and the shape and to the floor above level 1, C6, and click OK. The next one will be C7. Do it the same, synchronize. Okay, select the related information that you want to synchronize to the floor above. Select C7 and click OK. Just like this. Once everything done, calculate, and then you can view your result in the report. That's all. Thank you.